Hi guys, welcome to Online Study for You. I'm Jean, your spoken English tutor, and I will be speaking about the communication round. As you guys know, Cognizant exam is announced, and first round is communication round. So let's understand the communication round. It's a part of a written test. There are three sections, and for a duration of 45 minutes. So section one will be reading and grammar. So here, uh, you will be given few sentences and you will be asked to read them aloud. So be crystal clear, and these are simple sentences. So just read slowly and carefully. Make sure that your pronunciation is correct, and you will also have and maybe the other pattern could be that the AI will speak some sentences and you will have to listen carefully and repeat these sentences. So make sure that you pay complete attention, listen very carefully, and repeat all of these sentences with the right pronunciation and right grammar. Now, let's go to the second section, which will be comprehension and listening. So here you will be given some questions and you will have to understand the context of the questions and answer them correctly. And another form could be that you get some jumbled sentences or jumbled words, and you will have to put all the words in order and form a correct sentence. So this could be another format. But what's the most important thing, that you comprehend and you listen very carefully as to what the AI has spoken, and then repeat those and answer the questions carefully as per the context. Now, the third section is speaking. So in this section, you will have to listen. So a story will be given to you, a short story will be given to you. You have to listen to the story very carefully and summarize the story and retell it in your own words. So what's important is for you to focus, listen to the pronunciation carefully, and comprehend the context, comprehend the summary and the story and what the AI is trying to tell you. Summarize it in your own words. You don't have to use a lot of difficult words. In simple words, you can retell the entire story. The meaning is more important rather than some complex vocabulary, right? Uh, but vocabulary is very important in section two, where you have comprehension and listening, right? Because when the AI asks you questions in section two, that time they're going to use certain words which will test your vocabulary. So in section two, vocabulary is very important, but in section three, you can use considerably simple words because you're just summarizing what the story is. So there it's all right. And you may also be given some open-ended questions, maybe about your personal lives, simple things about your likes, dislikes, or routine, and you have to answer them in your own words. So the third section is all about speaking in your own words. And the second section is more about listening and vocabulary. Third section is more about being crystal clear with your speech and understanding. And the first section is more about your pronunciation and grammar. So this is how the test will be. And we will be conducting, like I will be taking some classes as well, so that we practice all of these rounds quickly. I hope to see you in those classes really soon. Thank you.